Sennheiser has a long history of innovation with headphones, dating back to 1968 and the HD414, which were the first open-back headphones. In 2024, they unveiled the HD480 Pro, their latest evolution in their open-back headphone line, and now they've just released their closed-back companion, the HD480 Pro. I got a sneak peek and a first listen to these headphones back in January when I was at the NAMM Show. At the time, I was on a bit of a 60s Miles Davis kick, particularly the early iteration of his second classic quintet when George Coleman was in the tenor chair. And since I'd been listening a lot to the My Funny Valentine record and I'm very familiar with it, I queued that up and pressed play. I was immediately struck by the level of detail the HD480 Pros translated. Things like the breath and lip sounds in the beginning of Miles' notes and the finger noise of Ron Carter walking the bass were all perceptible, and this filled the listening experience with realism and honestly made it more enjoyable. It was very refreshing to hear music this way after having done so much listening via my Earpods. So that was my first impression, and I did end up getting my hands on this review pair shortly after the NAMM Show, and the result of spending more time with them and doing more in-depth listening is just confirmation of my initial experience. The HD480 Pros offer a very detailed, spacious image that doesn't sound hyped. To me, these headphones have kind of an open-back vibe. Typically, closed-back headphones can be a little hyped in the low end, but the HD480 Pros sound very balanced. Sennheiser says that they are reference headphones after all, and I got the scoop when I checked them out at NAMM. The folks at Sennheiser explained to me that a key priority when bringing the HD480 Pro to life was for them to translate an honest representation of the source audio material while offering a comfortable wearing experience, with both of these aims being consistent across all users. The key to achieving this is in the design of how the ear cups interface with the human body. The HD480 Pros use the same headband as the HD490 Pro, which has notches and extends from the top of the ear cup and not the bottom. In the design process, the Sennheiser team reviewed a database of all different head shapes and sizes to determine how to create ear cups that fit in the same way for everybody, while eliminating air leakages when fitted. Air leakages are the reason that manufacturers often increase the low end in closed-back headphones. So, following the logic, eliminate air leakages, and there's no need to increase the bass response of the drivers, meaning there is more control and ability to give the headphones a flat frequency response. Now you might be thinking, well, I wear glasses, so won't that create an air leak? But the Sennheiser engineers developed an answer for that even. An area in the ear cups where the pads are more soft to create a comfort zone for glasses that still seals acoustically. The headband and the earpads are removable and can be easily replaced. They're also washable, and another nice touch is that the cable can be connected to either the right or the left side. Out of the box, you connect the cable on the left side, but if you want to switch, just remove the plug and connect the cable to the other side. This can really come in handy if you're using these headphones for recording, as you can set them up however works best with your instrument or your listening environment. And speaking of the cable, it comes with an 1/8" connection and a 1/4" screw-on adapter, and you'll notice that the top part is straight except for a small coiled area which provides some strain relief and also reduces any cable noise that can happen when coiled cables rub against surfaces. Lastly, on the rear of where the headband connects to the left ear cup, there are 3 dots, which is the Braille letter L, ensuring accessibility for people with low vision. The HD480 Pro come packaged in 2 ways: the standard HD480 Pro that includes the headphones, cable, and a soft pouch, and the HD480 Pro Plus, which includes the headphones, cable, and a hard carrying case as shown here. For critical listening situations and even mixing duties, the HD480 Pro live up to their reference headphone classification and offer some neat features that extend usability. But what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments what you think and what you look for in reference headphones. Until next time, this has been Andrew from the B&H Pro Audio YouTube channel, reminding you to always remember audio.